Me have a favorite comedy. Brother who can go from joke, and it's from Backyard TV. It's a CEO. Ladies and gentlemen, focus on the step. Put your hands together for Owen!
Greetings. You know, tonight I was on my way to Las Vegas, and I was on my way to the airport. I made a text from Betty Love, and she said, "Me come at Tranquility Bar. She gonna be dressed in her birthday suit." She lied to me. She lied to me. Anyway, happy birthday, Betty Love. You know, you're a very professional woman. I mean, this woman do everything. I mean, she's a radio announcer, fundraiser, mother. Betty Love do everything.
Granny.
All the ladies in the house who see yourself as a professional woman, let me see your hand. Hold on.
One woman?
Only one professional woman there? Alright, you remember there now. I'm going to explain to you now what is a professional woman. And then you're going to tell me if you really is a professional woman. A professional woman has one special feature. And I'm going to explain to you what that feature is. But first, I'm going to give you a little scenario about a professional woman. Alright, so for example, ladies, you're going on the street one day and you meet a man. Alright, and you like him, but you're no fool. You know him after. And you already have your system and you know, so look, me not give him none of this until me get some money out of him. Right? Now, that man probably broke like a dog, you know. But you know why he knows I'm broke? You know, they have some man just broke. He broke today, he broke yesterday, he broke last year.
Broke tomorrow.
He already broke for next year already. But if not, he'll say I'm broke. So, you're not going to tell him, say, you have to get some money out of him, you know. Boy, you have to throw some stuff out there. Why? The rent short and the bill due and my mother sick and this and that and that. Everything you have to tell him. And then he will come back to you now and I say, if you know say now the money and knows I'm broke, but I say to you say, baby, you know say, me have some money coming in Sunday and I tell you say, me I go take care of you know. You see when next Wednesday come, me I tell you say, you're nice. Now, what I want to do now, you know, try to get me and peel off a piece of you before Wednesday. If you know, say, you already been there, done that. You know, every woman in that right now, you know, say, you give at least one man the benefit of the doubt. And it never work out well. And a professional woman, you have to have one special skill. And this is what you have to know about. You have to know how to give a man half of the sex now and give the next half next Wednesday. If you can't do that, then you're not a professional woman. Thank you everyone, be yourself.